Welcome, here I've got Listo SP50 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see, now by tapping on them I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's tap to this button above the shutter so we get access to more modes of this camera with the button from the left. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. And here at the second position we have now volume key function, so let's pick it. Now we can decide to use this as shutter, which is now volume, or zoom. So let me change it to zoom to show you how it works different. And let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use volume keys once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject now. And I can also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on volume keys. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.